I'm starting with 4 pounds of cucumbers and slicing them into smaller sections. Cucumbers are hydrating, full of antioxidants, and great for digestion. They help reduce bloating and support healthy skin because they're over 95% water. I'm sprinkling them with a 1/4 cup of sea salt to draw out the excess moisture. Sea salt helps with electrolyte balance and adds trace minerals like magnesium and potassium. Let this sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once the cucumbers have released their water, after 30 minutes, I'll rinse them lightly and pat them dry. Now that I've rinsed and dried my sliced cucumbers, I'm slicing 6 green onions. Green onions are rich in vitamin K, vitamin C, and antioxidants that support bone health and immunity. Now for the sauce. This is where all the flavor and health benefits come in. I'm adding 6 tablespoons of gochugaru, which is Korean red pepper flakes. Gochugaru is rich in vitamin A and antioxidants, and it supports metabolism and immune health. Next, 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Sesame seeds add calcium, healthy fats, and plant-based protein. Next, 3 tablespoons of coconut sugar. Coconut sugar has a lower glycemic impact than regular sugar and contains small amounts of minerals like zinc and iron. Now, 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. Garlic is powerful. It supports immunity, heart health, and has natural antibacterial properties. Then 3 tablespoons of grated ginger. Ginger helps with digestion, reduces inflammation, and supports gut health. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of fish sauce for umami. Fish sauce contains amino acids that support muscle repair and overall cellular health. Then 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Rice vinegar helps with digestion and has natural probiotic supporting properties. Finally, 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Sesame oil is full of healthy fats and antioxidants that support heart health and reduce inflammation. Pour the sauce over the green onions and cucumbers and toss everything together until it's fully coated. You can eat this right away for maximum crunch, or let it sit in the fridge for an hour to let the flavors deepen. It keeps for about 3 to 5 days. This cucumber kimchi is refreshing, probiotic-friendly, and full of ingredients that support your gut, your skin, and your overall energy. This entire recipe had 1173 total calories, 137 grams of carbs, 18 grams of protein, and 56 grams of fat. This recipe was 12 servings, 98 calories, 11 grams of carbs, 1.5 grams of protein, and 4.7 grams of fat per serving. If you try this recipe, let me know how you like it. And if you want more healthy, simple recipes like this, make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you in the next video.